Let's analyze the electrical requirements for a residential electric range. The question concerns a range rated at 9.5 kilowatts at 208 volts single phase and whether using 8 kilowatts for the demand based on section 220.19 of the National Electrical Code is acceptable. The manufacturer recommends a 40 amp breaker. First, we need to calculate the amperage draw at both power levels. At 9.5 kilowatts and 208 volts, the amperage draw is calculated as follows: 9.5 kilowatts divided by 208 volts, which equals approximately 45.7 amps. At 8 kilowatts, using the provided 220.19 volts, the amperage draw is calculated as 8 kilowatts divided by 220.19 volts, which equals approximately 36.3 amps. Now let's compare these amperage values with the manufacturer's recommendation of a 40 amp breaker. With a power draw of 9.5 kilowatts, resulting in 45.7 amps, the amperage exceeds the breaker's 40 amp rating. This situation could lead to the breaker tripping frequently, or in a worst case scenario, overheating of the wiring and potential electrical hazard. However, at 8 kilowatts, the amperage draw is 36.3 amps. This value is below the 40 amp breaker rating, providing a reasonable margin for safe operation. Based on these calculations, it is not recommended to use a 40 amp breaker for the range if it's consistently drawing 9.5 kilowatts at 208 volts. The amperage exceeds the breaker rating. On the other hand, it's acceptable to use a 40 amp breaker if the range's power consumption is limited to 8 kilowatts, resulting in a 36.3 amperage draw at 220.19 volts. Important considerations: always adhere to the manufacturer's recommendations for electrical installations. Using a breaker with a lower rating than the actual load can cause nuisance tripping and potentially lead to electrical fires. It is best to double-check the operating voltage because 220.19 volts is not a standard voltage. Most residential ranges operate on either 208 volts or 240 volts in the United States. If the range is designed to operate at 240 volts, this will further affect the amperage calculations. If it is intended to operate on 240 volts and is only running on 208 volts, that would be a factor as well.